that, and then.
Oh.
We're gonna get that. Down right, probably going down.
It's kind of hard with Halo's like.
Yeah. Top one. Try the Harvey. Rotor.
Good, pumpkin.
Well, I like to lay on farm. That way, because you lean up against it.
Poking your head in most stuff.
What's that?
Silver, it's just not accurate. No, silver is good.
Nice. That is what just like that.
Awesome. Don't mess with us.
Fight this bad boy.
Hey, don't mess with us, man. We'd take you out and eat for dinner.
Can I get those slides to go back to the bowl?
$1,000 right there.
Really?
Yeah, that's
nice.
That shoots real nice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you do.
This is 45.
Sweet.
It's got the laser sight in there too.
Oh, this is right on.
Look at that gun.
I don't believe that.
What?
This thing shoots.
It's perfect.
This thing is dead on. This thing is dead on, man.
What are you shooting at?
Well, that little clay pigeon was.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got it.
This thing's dead on.
Got it again.
This thing's dead on. Well down range. It's smarter.
That's a 22.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
I'm shooting the leg, that post.
Shoot the M1.
Oh, yeah, I got that covered. You still got some ammunition in there, dude.
Huh?
You got some ammo.
I know. I didn't shoot it all. And there's another clip in there.
Alright.
Yeah, didn't you have one that already had one in there?
Yeah, it's loaded.
Cool.
On the bag, guys.
Get an old thing.
Shotgun in the bar.
That's all right, man. It kills people. It's proven in the field.
Oh, you
Didn't kick the last one out.
You still have one in the chamber.
Oh yeah.
You went to the safety on.
What the hell was she at? Box.
What the?
Alright.
Why are you shoot that now?
Need to pry the gun off anyway.
The bullet not going in the chamber?
No, it's not.
Next time we roll with a whole bunch of target.
Kill him, Sam. Kill him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, don't point at me.
What are we shooting at? I need a
That's
target.
you.
Hey, where's the clay pigeon?
Yeah, we need to get you more ammo for this gun.
Want me to throw one in the air?
No, you're not allowed to shoot anymore.
Oh, shucks.
I'll do that.
You got a knife on you?
Huh?
You got a knife on you?
That's it for this one.
You empty the clip?
Yeah.
No,
there's
you see
the
that?
clip right
I slid across, it sunk, and I got it while I was sinking.
there.
Hey, Albert, you just gotta shoot this man. Now, you're both Albert, right?
Yeah.
So how do you know the difference?
He's a 3 and I'm 2.
All right, so Albert number 2. I'll just say 2 and 3.
All right. That's how it works.
Too, some.
That came out of the box. That came out of the box.
Wow.
Hey, Sam, that came out of the box.
How do you shoot that one? Okay, now shoot it before it hits the bottom.
Now, I shot a bottle the other day. I shot it when airborne. I'll hit it again. You're not allowed shooting. You're not allowed to airborne. Hanging away about 3 foot.
I'll never
I
tell.
was just shooting at a jug back here, downrange.
Uh-huh.
I took it 22 on the side. Finally hit it. Because you hit it, Dad. That's luck.
Nice. Yeah, that's one out of range. That's when the bullet starts to wave around.
Hey, try Mossberg.
Mossberg?
Try Mossberg. Just don't, don't shoot the strip off.
What's that? Oh, no.
Don't shoot that double off, but. They're $300.